Welcome to the studio. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a kid choir. Let it sound like you have a bunch of kids in a place singing into your microphone without having a bunch of kids in the studio singing it. This style of music is popular in the hip hop world. You hear the Lil Durk and J. Cole songs. You hear, I know I can, I know I can. So let's try it out. There are 3 ways you can get it. And I'm going to be showing you this, the Afrobeat style. So your end result might sound something like this. Yes, so something like that. With that said, let's get back to it after the intro. Yes, so there are a number of ways you can do this. The first one is the obvious one, which is to gather a bunch of kids into your studio. Good luck trying that. But the challenge with that is organizing the kids, especially kids that are non-musician. It's hard to put them, the coordinating them to get the best results. So if you have a child that you can coordinate properly to get the desired results, by all means go for that. So the number one is traditional kid choir, to have a bunch of kids in your studio record the track that you want to have them record. The second method is the mimicry magic. So mimicry magic talks about you or a bunch of adults mimicking children singing, then you overdub that. If you've not seen the video of how to get a choir style that I did for Google, YouTube, and JPE, click one of the videos that will pop up here, how to get a choir style. So you stack your vocals like that with the kid style. Find a vocalist with a petite voice to mimic and emulate the innocence and sweetness of a child. Learn to apply these techniques and stack them, from our previous video, how to create crowded choir style video to enhance how the child's sound will be, to enhance how it will sound. So this method is also very effective if you can get it as close as possible. But this, you have to be able to mimic the sound you are trying to go for as close as possible. So the next one, which is my favorite so far out of all this, and which is the one we used in this song. In case you don't know, this song is a song that is released by Techno. It was a song that we did for the last Techno's album. So be sure to check that out as well. It's a beautiful song. So outside that, before we talk about the last one, the Krizbeatz Music Academy courses are now on. So you can go right now, the link in the description, to sign up for the class, maybe the one-on-one class, or maybe the full class to join the school if you want. So without out of the way, the third method is the pitch play. This is by far the easiest thing to do, and I'm not just going to be showing you, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can achieve something like that. So the first thing you want to do, remember I said we combined both the mimicry and this pitch play. So let's say you have a song that was recorded maybe F major, for instance. You drop the key of your song. So I'll get something like this, sound pitch on the instrumentals. So I'll drop the key semitone by, let's say, 4 semitone or 3. Let's say 3 semitone. So if I sing this, record this normally, and pitch it up. So I will record this normally, but I will try to record it like a kid. Pay attention, it's very important that you get the scope here. I will record this like a kid. So let's say I want to say, Holy Father, Father comes, and don't laugh. If you laugh, you have to subscribe and leave a comment. So let's say I want to say, Holy Father, Father come say man true. I'll say,
wait for it.
oh, you won't lift your tongue, so you sound like a kid who is still trying to mumble words, which was what I did. All the vocals in the kid choir here, they are all mine. But it can be better if you use a female vocal to a female vocalist, like we said in the second method.
Here it comes. Almost there.
Only Father, cause he bad to Father. So I'm saying everything without lifting my tongue. Automatically, it sounds like a child. I have said everything without lifting my tongue. So automatically, you get sounds like a child.
Damn! I'll blow up into smithereens.
Yes, but it is what it is. So if you do that, automatically it sounds like a child. So when you stack that with the style, so that is kind of like what we did here. I dropped the main key of the song. So after singing it the way I want it, I returned it back to the original pitch. So the formant will shift once you take it back to the original pitch. The formant will shift and it will give you that childlike thing. So see.
Oh, the Father, cause he bantu.
The stretch in the vocals. That's what that's
Oh, the Father, cause he bantu.
you get cause that to see, not lifting your tongue. So if you do all that with the right processing, with the right amount of effects, I already explained the effects to add to your stuff to get the choir style voice. I already explained how to get those effects in the previous video. If you've not seen it, please do well to check out those ones first. So if you do that, you can then combine it with your lead. That is to say, you have a proper lead that is well done, that is that you recorded everything properly. If you combine both of them together, you get something like this. Yes, so that is pretty much how to get it, but it has a lot to do on how you stack. If you come here to my to this side of the door now, you will see, if you come to this pitch side, you see it says +3, which means those are the pitched vocals. So I returned them here after normalizing them, after joining all the clips together, so I don't forget what key I'm currently running on. So this is one of the creative courses that we do on Krizbeatz Music Academy. I just decided to come here and share this to you so you can get a kid choir properly into your studio, and you can even use this to even create samples. So if you listen in context with the song, with what Techno sang, you will see. Let's listen in context with what it sounds. You know, so that is exactly how you get it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you in the next class. Peace.